In today's video, I will teach you how to reduce noise on your image using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, in the menu bar, open the Filters tab and select Camera Raw Filter, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Here, go to the Details tab and scroll down to the Noise Reduction section. Now, adjust the amount of each setting by moving its respective sliders. For this image, I will adjust the luminance to around 70, luminance detail to 50, and luminance contrast to around 40, and set the color to 0. Now, in the basic panel, adjust the clarity settings to bring back the details that the noise reduction had blurred out. Now, go back to the detail panel and adjust the sharpness settings. For this image, I will set the sharpening amount to 25, radius to 3, detail to 60, and masking to 0. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.